Want every floor plan you create to look polished, consistent, and on-brand automatically? Meet Styles. With Styles, you can create your own customized templates. For 2D floor plans, choose which furniture appears. Define how kitchen cabinets are displayed. Show room names, sizes, and labels. Set your colors. And select room materials, creating a clean, professional standard you can reuse again and again. For 3D floor plans, control which furniture is shown, set your preferred wall cut height, adjust colors, and fine-tune the perspective, so every 3D plan reflects your signature look. You can even upload your logo and add custom disclaimer text, ensuring every download is branded and client-ready. Perfect for professionals and teams who need a consistent standard across every project. Set it up once, stay consistent every time. Upgrade to Try Styles today.